Just wanted to thank you all for coming, for being part of this night. Each one of you as employees have been part of the reason that we're able to be in this new space. And each one of you family members are also part of that. RoleModel is not just our employees, but it definitely is each one of you that contribute to the team overall.
Now, this place is great. It's really neat to see what you've done. You know, we've learned a lot through the different phases RoleModel's gone through, but Caleb's really taken all we learned and added so much to it. And I'm sure he had a lot of people collaborating on how to make this space as great as it is. It's really exciting to see it come together.
Walking into the new office, it's like, yes, this is a high-end software consultancy. I want to show clients this office, and I'm just really excited to see what's going to happen here.
What is your favorite part of the new office? Is it snacks?
Yeah.
Snacks are your favorite part of the new office?
There's a lot more dedicated spaces for teams to go and work. And overall, it's a more modern space, which we enjoy a lot.
I like how spacious it feels, and then we can have the whole company here without it feeling like the whole company was here.
It's just so cool to be able to have everybody here celebrating first CCC days in the new space and seeing everyone that contributed to getting us to this point. So it's been a fun evening and fun fellowship. Super excited to see where things are going for the team from here.